The camera glides over rolling hills and lush forests, capturing the serene beauty of the Swiss countryside. It settles on a quaint, eco-friendly cottage, where natural stone and wood merge harmoniously with the surrounding landscape. As we approach the cottage, its green roof, adorned with vibrant vegetation, catches the eye. Solar panels glisten under the sun, blending modern sustainability with rustic charm. The front door, painted a welcoming blue, invites you to step inside and explore further. The camera pans to the front porch, showcasing a cozy wooden bench and vibrant potted plants that create a warm welcome. The door, crafted from reclaimed wood, adds a touch of rustic charm and sustainability. Stepping inside, the entrance hall is bright and airy, with a skylight allowing natural light to flood in. The floor is made of polished concrete, providing a modern yet earthy feel. The living room is a cozy space with large windows that offer stunning views of the surrounding landscape. A comfortable sofa and a wooden coffee table invite relaxation. The kitchen is modern and functional, featuring energy-efficient appliances and a central island with a granite countertop. Natural wood cabinets add warmth to the space. Adjacent to the kitchen, the dining area features a rustic wooden table and chairs. A chandelier made from recycled materials hangs overhead, casting a warm glow. The sunroom is a serene space with floor-to-ceiling windows that bring the outdoors in. It's the perfect spot for reading or enjoying morning coffee. The master bedroom is a tranquil retreat with a king-sized bed and a wall of windows that frame the beautiful scenery. The bedding is made from organic cotton. The en-suite bathroom is luxurious yet eco-conscious, with a rain shower, a freestanding bathtub, and natural stone tiles. The fixtures are water efficient. The guest bedroom is cozy and inviting, with twin beds and a built-in bookshelf. The walls are painted in a soft, earthy tone. The second bathroom features a walk-in shower and a bamboo vanity. It's a bright, airy space, enhanced by a skylight above the shower. The laundry room is compact but efficient, with a high-efficiency washing machine and dryer. The walls are lined with shelves for storage. The home office is a quiet space with a desk made from reclaimed wood and a comfortable chair. Large windows provide ample natural light and inspiring views. The library is a cozy nook filled with bookshelves and a plush armchair. The walls are adorned with nature-inspired artwork. The garden terrace is an outdoor oasis featuring a wooden deck, potted plants, and a small vegetable garden. It's the perfect spot for al fresco dining and enjoying the fresh air. As we step into the garden, notice the elegant rainwater harvesting system. Collection barrels seamlessly blend with the landscape, feeding water directly to the plants through a neat irrigation setup. A sustainable and beautiful addition to the home. As we approach the house, the camera pans up to showcase the modern, sleek solar panels adorning the roof. Their efficient design not only adds a touch of contemporary elegance but also underscores the home's commitment to sustainable living through renewable energy. As we step outside, the aerial view reveals a stunning green roof, adorned with a vibrant array of plants and flowers. It's not just a sight to behold, but also a functional, eco-friendly feature that enhances the home's sustainability. Step into the cozy living space, where the double-glazed windows not only frame the serene outdoors, but also ensure a comfortable climate inside, keeping the room warm in winter and cool in summer while significantly lowering energy bills. The camera focuses on the insulation materials in the walls and attic, highlighting the cottage's dedication to energy efficiency and comfort. Step into the cottage and notice the beautifully placed windows and vents. They're designed to harness natural airflow, ensuring the interior remains cool and fresh, a charming blend of comfort and sustainability. The recycling station in the kitchen is well organized, with bins for different types of waste. The design encourages responsible waste management. Step into our garden, where sustainability thrives. A close-up of the compost bin reveals the magic of turning food scraps and yard waste into nutrient-rich soil, nourishing our plants and reducing waste. The herb garden is a small but vibrant space with a variety of herbs growing in raised beds. The camera captures the fragrant leaves and flowers, adding a touch of freshness and tranquility to the surroundings. The living room fireplace is a focal point, with a mantel made from reclaimed wood and a clean burning stove that minimizes environmental impact. The attic is a spacious storage area with wooden beams and a skylight. The space is organized with shelves and bins for extra items. The workshop is a versatile space with a workbench, tools, and a potting area. It's ideal for DIY projects and gardening tasks. The playroom is a vibrant, playful space for children, filled with an array of toys and games. The walls are adorned with enchanting murals of nature scenes, bringing the outdoors inside. The mudroom is practical and stylish, with a bench for removing shoes and hooks for coats. The floor is easy to clean and durable. A dedicated space for storing bicycles and outdoor gear, keeping the entryway clutter-free and organized. This area ensures that your home remains tidy while providing easy access to your equipment. The garage is a tidy space with a workbench and storage for tools and equipment. It's equipped with an electric vehicle charging station. The final scene shows the cottage at night, with soft lighting illuminating the exterior. The stars shine brightly in the sky, creating a peaceful and serene atmosphere. Thank you for joining our tour. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more.